So we breathe into our time of contemplative meditation, just allowing ourselves to fully arrive in this now moment, and gently closing the outer eyes to open the inner awareness. Meditation can be seen as stepping apart for a while, letting go of the thoughts and the ideas that often spin in the mind and setting them to the side. It's also known as coming home, going within, diving deep into the inner realm of being, coming in closer and closer and closer into the heart center. So I invite you this morning, with whatever your practice is, to take a few deep breaths, to clear the mind, set all the thinking aside, the world, while also allowing what needs to be here in the space. Unconditional love, unconditional acceptance of this now moment, this present moment. We breathe, and as we inhale and exhale, we allow our awareness to focus in on love and light. We become generators of gratitude, generators of strength, bringing ourselves right here and right now to the center of love. Asking that love have its way within us as a harmonizing faculty. Reaching out and reaching in for the divine presence, known by many names and needing no name at all. The source of our being, the God of your understanding. Inhaling and exhaling. As one body, one life, in the silence. We love you. We hear you. We breathe that into the practice, the divine essence, reaching out, reaching in, allowing every part of this practice to be enriched in this moment by life, by beauty, by grace. So I invite you to set an intention this morning for being here. Launch a prayer out and in. By the power of this practice, may all beings have freedom from suffering and the causes of suffering. May all beings know God as love and themselves as emanations of this love. May all beings know that we're born blessed and here to be a blessing. Gently bowing to seal the practice. Namaste.